thank you, Yushin, for explaining some Czech historical stories and sharing some interesting facts, streetlights, house numbers, etc., which helped us better understand the Czech Republic. She also recommended some good restaurants and photo spots. She was very friendly. I will share it with my friends and family. Great trip, detailed introduction, and a better understanding of Prague. Leading us through the Old Town, in addition to the famous Powder Tower, astronomical clock, and Charles Bridge, it also explained many neighborhood buildings, historical events, religious stories, etc. that most people would not pay attention to. In just 3 hours, I benefited a lot. The lady provided us with a friendly and interesting explanation, and also helped us with questions other than the history of the building. The tour guide is very knowledgeable, not only about Czech history, but also about world history. After this Czech walking tour, I feel that the whole of Europe is connected, and I feel suddenly enlightened. I highly recommend it. This walking tour of Prague and number 39's Old Town is really recommended. The local tour guide Yusin was very professional and easy to understand throughout the tour, but it was not boring at all. In addition to the basic historical context, she also took us to understand the house number design on the streets of Prague. It turns out that red is the area number and blue is the house number. This little detail made it much easier for us to find restaurants on our own later. During the tour, she also shared several traditional Czech snack shops recommended by locals, and listening to the stories was super atmospheric. What and number 39's even better is that she gave a little Czech language teaching on the spot. The whole tour rhythm was just right, not rushed or delayed, and there was plenty of time to take pictures and ask questions. After the tour, I also received a private map of Prague that she compiled, including restaurant recommendations and private attractions recommendations, which was super practical. If you come to Prague for a free trip and on and number 39's want to just take pictures and see the flowers, I really recommend participating in this in-depth tour, which will give you a completely different feeling and memory of this city. Especially with a tour guide like Yusin, it really adds a lot of points. Thank you to the tour guide artist sister from the traveler agency. Considering my mother and number 39's poor physical strength, she walked slowly with us. We were lucky that there were only 2 people in the group this time. I wish you all the best in fulfilling your dream. Not too big of a group, carefully introduced each section and answered all our questions.